I'm Elizabeth Bonilla, and I'm reporting a Hollywood talk show.
Hello, my name is Alexia Maria. We're here at the Glorified Women event with Dawn Reese and Talk Tan Radio.
So, have you been in a pageant?
Yes, I actually have been in a few pageants before. I've competed in Gasparilla before. I've done a bunch of different ones, but what I mostly like to do is I like to act and I like to sing. So what I mostly do is act in movies, perform on stage, go to film festivals and stuff. It's kind of what my passion is.
So, when you won your crown, how did you feel?
It felt really great when Miss Dawn handed me the sash and the crown and told me what my duties were supposed to be. And along with the crown and the sash, also the media pass, I've gotten a lot of great opportunities. I've been to a lot of film festivals, red carpet events. I've interviewed and talked to many, many amazing people, and I'm glad I had the chance to do it with, and a lot of great memories that came with it.
So, are you RP2, where did you came from? Florigo?
Where'd I come from? Oh, I'm here from Florida. I was born in Brandon, Florida.
Me too. I'm born from Brandon, Florida. So, I'll be right back.